for another weekly analysis on gold for the week. So in this video I will basically say where I think the price on gold will go, and I will show you my important key levels for the week. So let's talk about that. So if you have seen my previous videos, you have seen that we were deviating below this sweep, this low, and I said that I would expect a good reaction if we could reclaim from the deviation here. So as you can see, we have here a big deviation, then we just reclaimed here, and now we're having a bullish reaction. So let's talk about that, and let's mark another important levels. So as you can see here, we have a bearish daily fair gap. So here, as you can see, we gone here, then we rejected, and then we had a continuation lower. We swept this low, and then we saw a bullish reaction after sweeping the low. As I said in the previous videos, I always said that we would need either to reclaim some levels or to sweep some lows to have a bullish reaction, and that's what happened. So at the moment we are again at this bearish fair value gap. So here what do we need to do? Here we need to invert this gap. We need a daily closure above this gap if you want a continuation higher, or we could just sweep here and then we have another rejection, and then we have a continuation lower again. At the moment we are bullish, as you can see here. Here we had a bullish break of structure, then we just maintained the structure, and now we are just having a bullish reaction. So at the moment we are bullish, but we need to hear some highs, and we did not add any reaction, so we are just bullish at the moment. So honestly, I just expect a bullish week, but as I said, we need to invert this gap, or we could just have a reaction and a rejection, and we have a continuation lower. We have here a big bullish fair value gap. So if we have a rejection here, we would expect to see a continuation lower to this fair value gap, and then we might see a bullish reaction after that. If we see a move to this gap, I would like to see a candle closure above this week. If we have a candle closure below this week, we would confirm a bearish break of structure, and then we could see a continuation lower even further, and that's not what we want. So as I said multiple times, if you want to have a continuation higher, we would need to have a bullish inverse of the gap here, or we could just have a rejection, then retest, and then we will go to this fair value gap. So that's my plan, bullish plan: invert this gap, continuation higher, or we reject here and we go lower to retest the bullish fair value gap. So very simple plan. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. And if you saw last week, I did not post the weekly analysis because I was on vacations. I could not record the video, so I'm just recording now just to say that. So if you liked the video and wanted something good to me, like and subscribe, and see you in the next week.